What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Clips channel. This is our second channel if you guys are new here. We're gonna do something kind of fun today, spur of the moment. One of our employees of Hunt&Co is a little bit younger. I think he's like 21, 22, but he likes cars a lot, but he doesn't have much experience in too many different cars. He just, likes cars, wants to have like a fast car one day, and he's a fan of the GT3RS. So we're about to go take lunch today, and I was like, you know what? Let's surprise him and throw him in the seat of the GT3RS because I'm pretty sure that's his favorite car. I was gonna surprise him, but Anthony went and spoiled the beans a little bit, so now he knows that we're gonna be doing this, but...
You wanna spoil the beans a second time? These are sick.
Yeah, those are cool, right?
Look at these, and in black. That's
those
so
drop next Friday.
Oh, the blue.
Yeah, the black and blue. Yeah.
Damn, pretty sick.
The beanies are a little late to drop. It's, but I was like, we'll drop them now. But anyways... yeah, I like those ones a lot. So those are gonna all count towards the Supra giveaway, which ends in like, I don't know, like 5 or 6 weeks or something like that. Where's Victor at? I can't even find him now. Is he outside? Those are all the orders going out for the giveaway. A big crate just from this morning. So shout out to all of you guys. Working hard to get these out as fast as physically possible. Where is he?
He's inside. He's in the office.
In the office? Yeah. All right, I wanted to blindside him, Anthony.
Yeah, I'll take the blind. Take the fall for that.
Where is everyone?
Close that door!
Yes, I did. Thanks, babe.
The man of the hour, baby.
This was supposed to be a surprise.
Oh, shoot.
And then Anthony blew it for you.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I wanted to prepare you. I wanted to be like, hey, this is what we're going to do, as the manager of the videos. I'm just like, let me tell the talent that he's got a video coming.
Is the RS your favorite car of all of them?
Shoot. I mean, I like all of them, I love all of them. I'll get on every one of them.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna go warm up the car, and then we'll all go.
Yeah. Oh.
I think we have a couple stoplights that we'll do launch control and shit and do some cool stuff. So we'll go warm up the car and get him in the passenger seat. I want this to warm up for a sec.
For sure.
What's the fastest car you ever been in?
Probably the Tesla.
Really?
Yeah, I've never been in like a sporty car. Oh, maybe the Lambo, Sabrina's Lambo.
Oh, you were in the Urus?
Yeah.
Okay. So this car, like, in the world of supercars, this isn't like necessarily like a fast car in the straight. It's more of like, it's like how it can corner and perform on track.
Oh, okay.
But it's still like very rowdy. You will very much have a fun time.
What made you get this car?
What made me get it?
Yeah.
I just became obsessed with it. Like, after owning every different exotic,
Yeah.
this car like just does everything so well.
Wait, this is fast?
I mean, this car's like not like like my Uricom is faster, my Avenger is faster in a straight line.
Cause like when we hit that Tesla fast, like my body went.
Yeah, I mean this will do the same thing. Like this is fast.
Yeah, that's fast.
It's fast, and we're spinning the tire the whole entire time. But this thing has like cool stuff like launch control, so you could stay it. I'll do it at this light. We're just gonna spin like crazy, but it's so sick. So we can like mash the brake, put it in sport mode, and when we mash the brake, you hold the throttle all the way down. Oh, it's still too cold. It won't do it.
Oh.
And it will like hold it at 5,000 RPM, and we can just launch the car.
Damn.
And it sounds super sick. You know what? I'll just take you on a detour. Wait till we do the launch control. The launch control is so much fun.
Damn.
dusted. Anthony's not even to be seen. I don't even know where he went. Oh my God.
Oh, what the fuck?
You might want to move. You're in the middle of the road.
I know. I was supposed to throw me out. I know where there's a bus stop.
Okay, there's one down the street.
Down there?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you don't.
That's all I needed.
Yeah, you don't want to. You're in a dangerous spot.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, that woman's an asshole.
So like the wreck one you're building, is that just for you, or like are you gonna like drift with it, or like what's your goal with that?
Nah, that one's a manual version of this car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's essentially the same car. It's like this one's a little bit more like race car.
Yeah.
Its one weighs a lot less. Like the whole body's made out of carbon fiber, where that one's made out of aluminum.
Yeah.
This one has all the aero on it, so like when we're going like over 100, you have much more grip and downforce. Where like that red one is so this one's a GT3RS, and then that one's just a GT3. So that one's a little bit more like comfort, but still has the same engine and makes the same power. But that one comes in a manual gearbox, where this one only comes in this PDK, because the PDK transmission in this, which is essentially just like the paddle shifter, is much faster than the manual. So we'll just stop in the middle of the street. We'll try to do a launch control right here.
Shit feels like I'm on a roller coaster. Holy
It's pretty sick, right? Yeah, the launch control is like so fucking cool in this car. Yeah, this car's like my favorite. Like after owning all the different exotics and stuff, this one like is the most fun to drive, and it's the most practical. Like it has, you know, some trunk space in the front. They still have like cup holders right here. In the world of exotics, this one's like the least attention grabber, which like gets pretty old after a while. But everywhere you go, people are following you, trying to race you, take photos of you and stuff. The Porsche is a little more like under the radar. So watch. Mash the brake, floor it.
That's just wait, like you put that in your car, or like automatically?
No, it doesn't. That's
its own.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That comes factory.
Oh.
A lot of like exotics and fast cars will come with a launch control, because launching from that is way faster than like just flooring it from being by like, you know, 8,000 RPM or 800 RPM. So it like holds the RPM at the right point to where when it dumps the clutch, it's like the fastest point of grip and speed. Because, you know, if we floor it and we're in first gear and we're just spinning the tires, you're losing traction, and rather than putting all the power to the ground, you're just aimlessly spinning the tire, and you're losing speed.
Makes sense.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh,
You open this. Hold on.
Pull that little race strap and then push.
Oh, okay. That's how you know I haven't been in the car like that.
All right, so overall, Victor, how would you rate your experience in your first exotic?
To be honest with you, out of 100, 100. Like,
Now it's time for you to get one.
Yeah, I have to get me one. Like TJ, if you're selling this, like let me have it.
All right, if I sell it, I'll give it to you first. I'll let you take the first crack at it. When we were driving, Anthony was following behind us in his Tesla. Don't think he could keep up, little Tesla boy.
Anthony, get a new car. You need to upgrade ASAP.